I made the best purchase yesterday. And I gotta show you guys. I bought myself, well, I guess my household, I bought a Venus flytrap because we have horses and we're on a farm. We have terrible flies. But then because I have a garden, like I've had all these like little fruit flies. Yo, look at it. Okay, I'm going to show you because I did not believe like, hold on. Oh, why can't I make it close? Okay, we're going to try this one up here. God, this is a failure. Oh, did you see that? Like, I just watched it eat one earlier. Very excited about it.